Hello everyone, this is Rohit from the AkroBox. The theme of this box is amazing animals. Let's see the exciting activities inside this box.
This is the colorful caterpillar activity. In this, child places the pom-poms on the caterpillar by matching their colors.
This is a sensory activity which improves child's cognitive and fine motor skills.
In this activity, child will do the painting using the natural colors and the paper brush.
This activity improves child's creativity and the fine motor skills.
Next activity is feed the turtle. In this activity, child will throw the pom-poms and the balls in the turtle's mouth.
This activity enhances child's gross motor ability and improves the hand-eye coordination.
Last activity is a memory game. In this, the child learns about the animals and matches their tiles.
This activity improves child's memory and the logical reasoning skills.